Hi, I'm Gus from G&G Mechanical Contractors. Today we are in Cherry Hill, New Jersey. We're going to go talk to the homeowner about a new Bryant Ductless mini split we installed recently. Let's go talk to him. So we're here with Steve and Ashton today, the new homeowners of this Bryant Ductless mini split. How do you guys like your new system so far?
Well, so far we love it. It's ultra quiet, kids can use it very easily, and it keeps the room nice and cool throughout the summer and warm throughout the winter.
What made you call us in the first place to install the Ductless mini split?
So we've had this multi-season room on the back of our house for several years, and it was not properly heated or cooled to begin with. It wasn't even insulated, and my wife and I have several kids and wanted a new place for our kids to be able to play. So we made the decision to try and figure out a way to get the room heated and cooled. We see a lot of your social media where you were posting about small additions like this, and during one of your routine visits here anyway, we sat down and talked about it and realized this would be a great thing for this room. Instead of trying to connect it to our existing HVAC, try and hook something like this up, and you guys were able to get us set up with the G&G financing options, and it sort of really worked perfectly for what our needs were. The unit is quiet and efficient and doesn't bother the kids, but the easiest thing is the remote. We've just set the temperature to what we want it to be, and my kids can easily walk out. It's intuitive. There's a bright, colorful button to turn it on. Kids can just get it on or go up or down with the remote for the temperature for anything that they need, and it's very convenient and easy. So we've been able to convert this room fully into a playroom for the kids and keep much of the kids' mess and their toys out of the rest of the house and isolate it in here, which has been super nice for our well-being in the house.
That's awesome. Even kids can use it. Ashley, what did you think of the installation process?
It was quick and easy. You were able to come in, hook everything up. I was working from home, talking with customers and doing everything I needed to upstairs. I really didn't hear anything until you said we're done.
So it was a win-win. You couldn't even tell we were here.
Exactly.
Was there any things that surprised you about the Ductless mini split?
So far, it's how quiet it's been. In addition to this project going on, we did some work outside so we can really enjoy the yard as well. And we spend a lot of time sitting in the lawn now, and I don't hear the unit running, even while my kids can be in here playing or anything. It's no louder than the rustling of the trees outside, so it's nice and convenient that it works well. I don't hear it like some of the big condensers on the other side of the house.
Yeah, that's great. Would you recommend these systems to anyone that had these types of similar issues?
Yeah, absolutely. It was super convenient. I think you and I had even talked initially at one point about trying to connect my existing HVAC system to the room, and it just became impractical to do anything else. We had a small space outside. The unit fits perfectly, snugly right where it is, and it does this room perfectly and allows me to keep it isolated from the rest of the house, so it can be whatever I need it to be at any specific day. So for this particular application or something similar, it's a wonderful solution.
Awesome.
So I just wanted to thank you. You've been a pleasure to work with. We've had other HVAC contractors between this house and our last one over the years, and they've always been a hassle or a pain to work with. I know I can easily call you or text you or email you, and I think the last time we had a leak in the house, we didn't know where it was from. We're trying to figure something out, and the next day you were able to get here, figure out what the problem was, and have it fixed. It was very helpful, very convenient, just knowing that we can have you here at a moment's notice, or you can be that responsive when there's an actual emergency for anything. So I want to thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Steve. And Ashley, I appreciate it. Thank you. Thanks so much for watching. If you think a ductless mini split would be a great option for your home, give us a call or check us out online. Have a great day.